Take a seat, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to unpack a common English phrase, take a seat. This phrase is used daily in English-speaking countries, and understanding it can help you in a variety of situations. So, let's dive in and explore what it means to take a seat. The phrase, take a seat, is a polite and friendly way to invite someone to sit down. It's used in many different settings, such as when you enter a room for a meeting, go to a restaurant, or visit someone's home. We'll look at how this phrase is used in everyday conversation and why it's more than just about sitting down. Here, we'll explore the various contexts in which take a seat can be used. It's important to know that context matters because the setting can change the intention behind the invitation to sit. Whether you're in a formal interview or at a casual gathering among friends, take a seat sets the tone for what's expected next. Did you know that take a seat has several variations? Phrases like, have a seat, please sit down, or grab a chair, all serve the same purpose but can convey different levels of formality. We'll examine when and how to use these variations appropriately so that you can express yourself politely in English. Nonverbal cues are a big part of communication, and the gesture of offering a seat is no exception. We'll discuss how to accompany the phrase, take a seat, with the right body language, and how to read the room when someone uses this phrase with you. This way, you'll not only understand the words but also the actions that go along with them. Now, let's practice. We will role-play several scenarios where you can use take a seat. Pay attention to the tone of voice and practice with us. It's time to get comfortable using take a seat in your daily English conversations. I hope this video helps clear up any confusion about the phrase, take a seat, and you feel more confident using it. Remember, learning a new language is all about getting these little details right. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English phrases like a native. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.